Create an object with some vertices, like a subdivided plane. Select the floater and the plane and press Ctrl P parent to vertex. In the plane's instancing options, set it to faces. Uncheck render visibility so the plane doesn't render. The original floater won't render by default. Now you have one instance of the floater per face aligned to its normal direction. Add a subdiv modifier set to simple in order to control the amount of instances. Keep the viewport and render levels identical. Use a decimate modifier set to unsubdivide with an uneven number for different patterns. If you have a curved surface, you can snap the plane to it with a shrink wrap modifier. You may have to move the original floater up or down a bit in order to align it better to the surface. And of course, you can bake the result to a normal map, as shown in a previous video.